Hey everyone, it's Jamie. Welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. So today's video is a Dollar Tree haul, and I found Halloween and fall items. So I'm going to go ahead and get into it and show you guys what I found. Okay, so the first thing that I found is, if you guys watched my Halloween decor haul, I think it was part 2. I think it was the second one. I hauled the little Halloween villages that I found from Dollar Tree, and I'd only found 2 sets. Well, I had a subscriber comment and tell me that she had found a third one, and she also has a channel, so I will make sure to link her channel down in my description box if you want to go check her out. But so she also had filmed what she found, and I went over and I watched her video and I seen it, and I was like, oh my goodness, I've got to find that. So I was lucky enough to find it, so I'm so excited. But it is this little 6-piece village. Sorry about the glare. But it's got, oh my gosh, look at all that cute little stuff. Look, I love the haunted house. That is so stinking cute. So this was in the Dollar Tree Plus section, so I did give $5 for it. But I'm going to go ahead and take it out of here and show you guys the little cute figurines that are in here. So I don't know if there's a 4th set or not, but I have 3 now. So if there's a 4th set, let me know, guys, because I'm on the hunt. So the first thing that I have here is, it says beware, and it's got a little skull on there. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it because my lighting, I'm telling you, it sucks. But so there we go. Maybe you can see it better. So there is that one. The next little figurine that's in here is this tombstone with a bat that says R.I.P. The next little figurine is this lamppost with a skeleton with a little top hat or a fedora on. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see him or not, but so cute. The next little figurine is, I believe this is the Grim Reaper. So there's that. The next one that's in here is like, it's a skull totem, I think. But it's got the hear no evil, speak no evil, see no evil skulls. That is so cute. So there's that. And then the last figurine that's in here is the haunted house. And it just says Halloween on it. So cute. I'm so excited. I am going to be putting these, selling these on my tiered tray. So I'm excited to get that done. I'm not sure if I will film that or not. If you guys want to see me styling my tiered tray for Halloween, just let me know down in the comments. Okay, so the next things that I found are these Halloween trees. And I did grab 4 of these, but they are orange and black. And we all know, if you've bought the Christmas trees during Christmas time from Dollar Tree, you know they're really, really puny and thin. So I did grab 4 just so I can make it a little more full. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with them. I know I have done a DIY using these trees for Christmas. So I thought about maybe doing the same thing using the Halloween trees. So anyway, I was happy to find those. So my Dollar Trees haven't really gotten any of the really cute kitchen decor, like the pot holders and the towels and things like that in. But this Dollar Tree that I went to only had this one set to choose from, so I went ahead and grabbed it. So it is this, you get the towels, all in this same print, hand towels, the oven mitt, and then the pot holders. So this oven mitt is so cute. It has all of the spooky, Halloween-y, just what you would associate with Halloween. The bats, the witch, 31, spiders, jack-o'-lanterns. I just love this. So there's the front, and then the back is just plain black. Then the microfiber towels. Now these, I'm telling you, you know, if you bought these kinds of towels from Dollar Tree, then you know they're really not good for drying anything. They're more for decoration. So I just grabbed one of these. You could also probably make like, I don't know, get a couple, I don't know, probably 4 or 5 of these maybe, and sew them together, make a table runner or a pillow or something like that if you'd rather do that. But anyway, I thought this was really cute, so I grabbed it. And then the pot holders, you get 2 for $1.25, and it has the same design on there. And then the back is just black. Okay, so this is just random, not really Halloween, but I needed some candles, some taper candles, so I went ahead and grabbed some. So they had the red and these white ones, and they also had one that's sort of a cream yellowy color, but I went ahead and just grabbed the red and the white taper candles. I found the sweater pumpkins, I think that's what these are, sweater pumpkin picks, that's what they're calling them. So all I found was the ones that were in the orange color. I think they have other colors, but orange was all that my store had. So I did go ahead and grab 3 of these. These are really cool. They are like, they're soft, so they're kind of like pillows. But anyway, I thought these were really cute, so I grabbed 3 of those. Speaking of candles, I did go ahead and pick up one of these just pillar, I don't know, candles in a jar. I don't know what you want to call them, but this one's just plain. It's white, has nothing on it, so you could, you know, DIY this if you wanted to. And if you guys watch, I think it's Chick on the Cheap, she does a lot of candle making DIYs using the Dollar Tree candles. So anyway, I just grabbed one of those. I seen these, and this was the only pack that they had. I don't know if they have any other kinds of these. I'm sure they do. But this is it just says Decor. You get 8 pieces in here, but I think they're apples, but they're like little wooden apples, I think. So I went ahead and just grabbed one package of those. I've seen everybody going crazy over the calendars, and my store finally got the calendars in because I've been on the hunt for them. So I did find 2 calendars that I really liked. Now I usually, I don't know, don't put these up on my wall or anything like that. I like to take the pictures and frame them or do some sort of DIY with them. So for this one, it just says home. And it's a 2023 Farmhouse 12-month calendar. So it looks like this with the sort of blue and gray barnwood or shiplap going across the front. And then on the back, it shows you all the different months and what the pictures are for each month. So I really like, obviously, the October with the boo. I love that. And then I also like this one up here that says Farm Fresh Honey, I think. Yeah, Farm Fresh Honey with the little barn. I love that. So, yeah. So that's the reason why I got this one. And then they have this one that says Farmer's Market, the 2023 calendar. And this one is really pretty. I love this one with the white shiplap and then the plants there. And then on the back, it shows you all the different ones that they have there. So I love this one because if you guys know me, then you know I love bees. And I do like this one that says garden. And whichever, let's see. Oh, I think this one with the strawberries, the locally grown berry patch. I love that. That's really cute for summer. And then I do like the Christmas one with the truck. It says Season's Greetings. And obviously the October for Happy Autumn or Happy Harvest. So anyway, I thought these were really cute. So I went ahead and got, now they had several to choose from, but those are the only 2 that I really liked. The next thing that I found is this. This is, I don't really know if this is like a trinket tray or exactly what it is. Or maybe it's a candle holder. Oh, it does say candle holder on there. but it is a lotus flower, and they had these in, I think, black, gold, and I think they might have had a white one, but that was the only colors. But I am redoing my bedroom, and I'm using little accents of gold. So I thought this would look really cute in my bedroom. I could either use it as a candle holder, an incense holder, like the cone incense, or I don't know, jewelry. I could throw my rings or something in their earrings. But anyway, I thought this was really pretty, so I did grab it. So on to Halloween again. I have been looking for the bottle brush trees, and I happened to find them, but I had to go to 2 different stores to get them because one store only had 4. The other store had every color to choose from. So I went ahead and grabbed, let's see, I grabbed 3 black, 2 orange, and then 2 of the purple. So I'm going to be using these, I think, in my tiered tray as I'm setting up the little Halloween village and everything. The only thing I don't like about these is that they are sparkly, glittery kind of trees. I wish they were more matte and not not sparkly, but I still like these. These are really cute, and for $1.25, that is a really good deal because these can be a lot more expensive anywhere else. So I was happy to find those. And then I think I've only got a couple more things. I did grab, now this is new this year. I've not seen these at the Dollar Tree this year or last year or any other year, but these are the foam skull heads, and look at those. Now I know they always have like the plastic skulls, which I always get every year because I use those to decorate or to do DIYs with. But they have these. So I went ahead and grabbed 5 of these, and I think I'm going to be doing some sort of a DIY using these, which I thought that was really cool. That was new this year. Sorry, I have to get up. Okay, so the Dollar Tree has these pretty much all year long, but I went ahead and grabbed 3 of these. Now these are the craft foam cones. Now these are kind of short. They're not very tall. They're 6.9 inches tall. So I wish they would carry a little bit bigger foam pieces like this because I like to use this kind of stuff for DIYs, and sometimes I want something a little bigger than just this. But I went ahead and grabbed 3 of these because I thought I might turn these into like candy corn or something like that, or maybe a witch hat, or I don't know, some sort of a DIY, Halloween fall DIY using these. So I did grab 3 of those. And then the last thing, I think it's the last thing. Yeah, the last thing that I found, hang on a second, I gotta bend down. Is this. Now this was in the plus section, so I did give $5 for it, but I just love it, so I'm going to be putting this in my kitchen. This is a 100% polyester face rug. So this is, well, they're calling it a doormat, whatever, rug, doormat. But it says spells and all manner of mischief available here. Potions, hexes, charms, curses. So I thought that was cute, and I really like the buffalo, black and white buffalo check going around the rim of it, and then this orange trim here. So I thought that was really cute, and this is quite thick, like a real thick rubber. So $5 is a really good deal for that, so I did go ahead and pick this up. Now they did have several different ones to choose from, but I really liked this one. Okay guys, so that is the end of my haul. If you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I would love to have you. Let me know down in the comments if there's anything in this haul that you liked and that you're hoping to find at your Dollar Tree, or just let me know what you're looking for at your Dollar Tree this year for Halloween. Or maybe you don't decorate for Halloween. Let me know down below. So anyway, I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. I wanted to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later.